sure everybody's gonna be asking, why would I go with a C300 over, let's say, the E63? Well, obviously the big deal is gonna be price. You can get a clean C300 like this for under $20,000 that has not been ran to death. While this will not win any races, it's not meant for that. It's more of a luxury car with good styling cues that has great gas mileage. I can get over 30 miles to the gallon on the highway in this, whereas the Jeep, we were lucky to get 12 miles to the gallon no matter where we went. Got a lot of amenities such as heated seats, navigation, your Sirius XM, all the stuff you would go to expect, and it's just a reliable car. The W204 platform has a lot of aftermarket support, so there's a lot of stuff we can do to this car for fun, and hopefully we can have a fun build out of this while we get the Jeep fixed and get it back on the road for some more content. So I guess the big question now, what should we do to this car? I'm not looking to do any kind of performance stuff right off the bat, mainly just styling stuff, maybe a spoiler, diffuser, that kind of thing. Let me know in the comments below what you think, and maybe in the future we can do a more in-depth review of this car and get some more stuff going with it. Until then, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and we'll see you next time.